everyone, I am Dr. Hema Padmini, Consultant Radiation Oncologist at Onco Cancer Centers, Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss regarding sarcoma. What is sarcoma? Where does it form? Sarcoma is a type of cancer that originates in the connective tissues of the body. The connective tissues include bone, muscles, tendons, cartilage, nerves, fat, and blood vessels. Sarcoma can occur in any part of the body where these tissues are present. The most frequent location are the limbs, since this is where the majority of the body's connective tissues resides. What causes sarcoma? The exact cause of sarcoma is still unknown. However, it is believed that genetic mutations or alterations in DNA of cells can cause development of sarcoma. For example, Lee-Fraumeni syndrome, which is associated with alterations in p53 gene, and neurofibromatosis, which is associated with alterations in NF1 gene, are associated with increased risk of sarcoma. In some cases, exposure to radiation or exposure to chemicals such as phenoxyacetic acid in herbicides or chlorophenols in wood preservatives can also increase the risk of sarcoma. Exposure to vinyl chloride used in manufacture of certain plastics and arsenic are associated with sarcoma of liver. What are the symptoms of sarcoma? The symptoms of sarcoma can vary depending upon location and stage. The common symptoms include lump or swelling in the affected area, pain or tenderness at the site of tumor, limited range of motion or difficulty in moving body part of affected part, fever in rare cases, fatigue, unintentional weight loss. It is important to note that these symptoms are not exclusive to sarcoma and can be caused by other conditions. A proper medical evaluation is necessary for an accurate diagnosis. What are the types of sarcoma? Sarcoma are mainly classified into two categories based upon type of tissue it originates from. The two categories include soft tissue sarcoma and bone sarcoma. Soft tissue sarcoma. This type of sarcoma arises from the soft tissues of the body such as muscles, fat, nerves, and blood vessels. Examples include leiomyosarcoma, liposarcoma, and synovial sarcoma. Bone sarcoma. This type of sarcoma originates in bone. Some examples include Ewing sarcoma, osteosarcoma, and chondrosarcoma. There are many subtypes of sarcoma within these categories, each with its own characteristics and treatment approaches. How is sarcoma treated? The treatment options for sarcoma depends upon type, location, and stage. Generally, the treatment options include surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. Surgery. Surgical removal of the tumor and surrounding tissues is often primary treatment for sarcoma. In some cases, limb-sparing surgeries may be performed to preserve functionality. Radiation therapy. High-energy X-rays are used to kill cancer cells. Radiation therapy can be used before surgery to shrink the tumor or after the surgery to kill any remaining cancer cells. Chemotherapy. Drugs are administered intravenously to kill cancer cells. Chemotherapy is used when sarcoma spread to different parts of the body or when surgery is not possible. For some types of sarcoma, treatment with targeted drugs or immunotherapy may also be an option. Treatment plans are individualized based upon specific circumstances of each patient, and multidisciplinary team of doctors will determine the most appropriate course of treatment.